The Chung swimming pool is described by the architect as a seashell on the shore. This evocative visual metaphor was inspired by the pool's marine location and its purpose as an aquatic sports and recreation venue. Much anticipated by residents in Tung New Town, this public pool complex can cater for a maximum of 1,200 swimmers and comprises a 50 by 25 meter indoor heated pool, a 984-seat spectator stand, and a 25 square meter outdoor teaching pool. It's just a short walk from the new town's transportation hub and shopping center. With residential towers immediately opposite and the venue's close proximity to the Nong Ping cable car ride, the design is sensitive to the community and in harmony with one of Hong Kong's most frequently visited scenic spots. The low-lying aerodynamic roof is a landmark in the neighborhood. Its strongly articulated organic structural expression enhances and complements the surroundings with a harmonious balance of texture, color, and form. The non-reflective fabric canopy, greenfield landscaping, frosted glass skylights, and green roof reduce solar reflections and provide a pleasant outlook for nearby tower residents and tourists riding the cable car. The outdoor pool is located further away from the towers to minimize noise and glare from exterior lighting. The venue's eye-catching roof is a climatic-responsive envelope fabricated with a double-layer PTFE membrane, tensioned by cables and resting on an elegant, lightweight steel truss system. PTFE is a durable, light-diffusing fabric. It's chemically inert, low-maintenance and lightweight, suitable for long roof spans with minimum loads imposed on the superstructure and foundation. The use of PTFE to envelop an entire building complex instead of the traditional metal or concrete roof is a first in Hong Kong. Swimmers can enjoy an indoor pool free from outdoor heat, glare and ultraviolet light, while maintaining the sense of bathing in natural daylight. The PTFE membrane roof is a sustainable design choice. Its translucent quality reduces the need for artificial illumination in daytime and minimizes lighting contrast between the outdoors and indoors. The fabric is flexible and elastic and acts as a vast acoustic panel, dramatically reducing noise levels, enhancing user comfort, and greatly increasing the lifeguard's awareness of emergency situations. To maintain comfortable indoor temperatures, a double-layer membrane system is used, with the outer skin functioning as a weather shield. Its high solar reflectivity and low thermal transmission value creates an effective solar barrier and insulator. The inner skin creates an air gap, further improving the pool hall's thermal insulation performance. The membrane is suspended above the pool by 5 mega steel trusses to form a column-free hall ranging from 60 to 70 meters across. Pool lighting and mechanical ventilation air ducts are neatly integrated within the trusses. Minimizing the overhead structure allows a high level of natural light to filter through the roof membrane. The shutters at pool deck level around the building perimeter can be fully opened, allowing sea breezes to flow through the interior. This also encourages swimmers to extend their activities to the pool and forecourt outside, enjoying fresh air and sunshine surrounded by panoramic natural scenery. Operable windows on all sides of the pool hall provide natural cross-ventilation, enhancing indoor temperature and humidity. Indoor ventilation can be further enhanced in the summer heat with a mechanical ventilation system. Air ducts inside the triangular roof trusses operate as exhausts, effectively displacing the fresh air from supply ducts integrated inside the ring beam above the shutters. In winter, the double-layer roof membrane is in direct contact with cold exterior air and warm humid air inside, potentially causing a condensation problem. The roof truss air ducts are designed to emit warm air onto the inner roof membrane, preventing the formation of water condensation on the roof soffit. Effective temperature and humidity control is essential to the success of an indoor pool design. Pool water heating and a dehumidifying heat pump system efficiently regulate the pool hall's temperature and humidity. The comfort level of spectators is also considered, and a mild-temperature cooling air system is built into the seating area. The low-velocity airflow reduces energy consumption prevents discomfort created by strong cold drafts, and also avoids condensation build-up on the air outlets. The fabrication and construction of the membrane roof and its mega-roof steel truss supports was a complex operation and required highly detailed planning and strict quality control. 5 steel roof trusses ranging from 60 to 70 meters in length and weighing up to 160 tons each were modeled in 3D and tested for load bearing and wind resistance. The unique curved structure and design of the roof trusses required non-standard steel components. Specialist manufacturing software X-Steel was used to accurately calculate the most cost-effective and efficient production method to fabricate accurate steelwork for precise site assembly. On completion of off-site manufacturing, each of the 5 spans was shipped to Hong Kong in 3 sections for the pre-assembly of building services within the trusses before hoisting into their final position. A 600-ton crawler crane for lifting the steelwork was brought to Hong Kong and positioned in the area with the best access and the most strength and stability to support the crane and its loads, the excavated base of the indoor swimming pool. The fitting and tensioning of the PTFE roof membrane to the steel support structure also demanded high manufacturing tolerances. Precise measurement data output by the design software controlled automated cutting machines to produce accurate segments while minimizing material wastage. The indoor pool slab was constructed after the roof trusses were in place. To assure watertightness at the construction joint between the floor slab and the pool walls, a permanent hose injection system was installed at the joint before concrete pouring of the pool slab. A waterproof gel grouting material was injected under pressure into the hose system to seal off any weak points along the joint. After the process, the hose was flushed clean to allow easy resealing in the future to maintain water integrity throughout the lifespan of the pool. Environmental planning was a key factor in project design, and there are many built-in energy-saving systems and materials. Light sensors detect the level of ambient daylight and automatically activate artificial lighting only when required. The light color of the roof and exterior surfaces, the green roof planting and use of insulated glazing with low E coating all help to minimize solar heat gain within the building. Solar panels installed on the flat roof provide hot water for pool heating and showers, and a rainwater recycling system harvests and stores rainfall for irrigating the landscaped areas. Photovoltaic and wind-powered outdoor lighting conserves energy and helps to foster public awareness of the government's green initiatives. Sustainable building management and public health is a prime consideration. The PTFE roof, aluminium cladding and external wall tiles are all self-cleaning, and the swimming pool tiles are antibacterial and antifungal, an important factor in sustaining a clean and healthy facility. Green landscaping beautifies the exterior public areas. Existing trees were preserved in situ, and vertical greening, the green roof and extensive landscaped gardens were developed as an integrated part of the master planning. The Tung swimming pool is the first public facility of its kind on Lantau Island, and since its opening in April 2011, is well established as an enjoyable and unique leisure attraction for both locals and visitors. It's also become a popular venue for amateur and professional water sports organizations.
東涌泳池嚟講咧，用家嘅角度嚟睇個泳池嘅設計咧，個更衣室啦，更衣室個特別設計咧就分咗2層啦，咁就方便咗我哋同事去運作嗰陣時，譬如搞一啲水運會啊，或者係有需要到上一層係俾一啲獨立人士去用晒整一個上層嘅更衣室，咁而下層咧係開放俾其他嘅工作人士用，呢個運作方法亦都可以。咁呢個係設計師考慮到嘅細心嘅因素嘅。
With its high-profile design, built-in environmentally friendly systems, and distinctive integration of architecture and engineering, the Tung swimming pool complex is a world-class leisure facility, unique among the city's public swimming pools. It's a bold step forward and has raised the bar for future public recreation and water sports facilities in Hong Kong.